Embarkation Day. It's an exciting day, but you want to make sure that you have your essentials packed so that way you're ready to enjoy your ship. Hi, I'm Michelle, a Princess Cruises certified expert, and today I'm going to show you my Embarkation Day packing video so you know what to bring onto the ship so that you are prepared. Apologize in advance for the noise in the background. We're filming on location at the hotel in Istanbul on Embarkation Day. When you get to the cruise port, you are going to hand over your main luggage, which should be tagged. Make sure to tag it over to the porters, and you aren't going to see it again until late in the evening. So make sure that you have an Embarkation Day packed. So we always pack our essentials. So this is my brother's bag. So this is going to be what you have with your passport, your money, any important documents you want to have on your person. We just carry them. My brother has this like crossbody bag. I have my purse. Also any medication, any prescription medication that you need, you want to make sure you bring that on board because your bags won't get to you until the evening. So carry all that important documents in a smaller little bag. Now the rest of the stuff is going to vary based off of your situation, but I want to show you kind of the stuff we bring. If you want to swim in the pool on Embarkation Day, which is a great day since it's less busy, you're going to want to bring like your bathing suit. You don't need a towel. Don't bring a towel on a cruise. There's tons of them. So some of the stuff like diapers and wipes, very specific to us. I have a child that is in diapers, so we have diapers and wipes. I have a change of clothes for her. We carry a change of clothes on the plane with us, but for Embarkation Day, we figure if our luggage gets lost, whatever. If we get messy, whatever. But for her, she is very messy, so we always have a change of clothes. In addition to our phones, so that way we have our boarding passes that can access the medallion app and whatnot. We also bring all our electronics on to the ship on Embarkation Day. So this is just all my charging things, my important cords, my cables, all that kind of stuff, as well as because we film with YouTube, we carry on like our backup drives onto the ship. And then I have these, I love these. If you go to our website, travelingbeyondboundaries.com, and go to products, you can see these, but these are just charging, mini charging, what do you call them, Jason?
Power banks.
Power banks, thank you. Mini power banks, and they plug directly into your phone. So instead of having to worry about cables, these just plug right in, and then you can still use your phone without these cables going around. So I have two of them, my brother has some. They're awesome. So love these. And then I also bring my ebook reader. If you are a physical book kind of person, highly recommend bringing one. There's just a lot of times that you might be waiting around for a transfer, or you might be waiting around to board the ship. You might be waiting around to get access to your room. So I prefer to have something to read. Also have a giant stack of all our papers. So this is our travel summary from Princess. It is all our, we have hop on and off buses booked for this vacation. So we have all our things for that. It is also our insurance documents and copies of our passports, all that are important documents that we need to have. We make sure we bring those on because if your luggage gets lost for any reason, or you need copies of, say, your insurance on Embarkation Day, you want to make sure you have that with you. We also like to bring a water bottle, again, waiting around for transfers, waiting to get on the ship, all that kind of stuff. We like to have a water bottle. We don't usually bring this around the ship with us once we're on board because there's plenty of places to access water, but on Embarkation Day, we do like to have a water bottle. And if you have your medallions, you want to make sure you bring those as well, so that way you can get on the ship because that's what you need them for. The most important thing to remember, though, is that you are carrying this bag with you until your room opens. So if you board the ship early, rooms don't usually open until around 1 p.m., sometimes a bit later. So you don't want to be lugging around too much stuff all over the ship. It will ruin your Embarkation Day. Don't do it. So just pack your essentials, especially like medications, anything super valuable, and important documents. Make sure you have those important documents. We are off to go meet our shuttle to go on the beautiful Sun Princess. Be sure to subscribe for more Princess Cruise content, especially all our coverage of the Sun Princess and our 21-day Mediterranean cruise. And go check out this video right here for more Embarkation Day tips.